Myself, Shamsad Ahmed, Department of Chemistry, DAV PG College Siwans. I have already discussed about the molar heat capacity at constant volume and constant pressures. Now, I have to explain about the relation between Cp and Cv, that is Cp minus Cv is equal to R. So I have to discuss this. First of all, according to the definition of heat capacity at constant pressure, the heat capacity at constant volume both separately may be defined as Cp is equal to dH by dt at constant P, Cv is equal to d by dt at constant V. From LHS, Cp minus Cv is equal to dH by dt at constant P minus d by dt at constant V. We know that H is equal to E plus PV. Differentiating this equation with respect to T at constant pressure P, dH by dt at constant P is equal to d by dt at constant P plus P dV by dt at constant P. Putting the value of dE by dt at constant P plus P dV by dt at constant P. dH by dt at constant P is equal to just see Cp is equal to Cp minus Cv plus d by dt at constant V, that is d by dt at constant P plus P dV by dt at constant P. Cp minus Cv बराबर d by dt at constant P plus P dV by dt at constant P minus d by dt at constant V. Here's d by dt at constant P must be nearly equal to d by dt at constant V. Since E is a state function, the differential d is an exact differentiation. It may be given as E is equal to function of V and T, where P is constant. So d is equal to d by dt at constant V into dt plus d by dV at constant T into dV. On dividing both sides of this equation by dt, we get d बराबर d by dt V dt plus d by dV T dV. Now d by dt at constant P is equal to d by dt at constant V, d by dV at constant T minus dV by dt at constant P. Putting this value of d by dt in equation 3, we get Cp minus Cv is equal to d by dt at constant V plus P dV by dt at constant P minus d by dt at constant V. Both d by dt will be cancelled out. According to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to RT for 1 mole of gas. If differentiating it, it must be at constant pressure P into dV by dt P into dV by dt is equal to V into dP by dt is equal to R dt by dt. That will be P into dV by dt at constant P is equal to R. So LHS must be equal to RHS. For an ideal gas equation, d by dV at constant T is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Cp minus Cv is equal to P dV by dt at constant P, that must be equal to R. we know that for 1 mole of an ideal gas, PV is equal to RT, and P dV by dt is equal to R, Cp minus Cv is equal to R. That solves.